Crypto world. It's Thursday afternoon. The stock market just closed. And remarkably, despite the fabulous Meta and Microsoft earnings, the market was down. The S&P's down. Even the NASDAQ, which is tech heavy and weighted towards the Magnificent Seven, was down. And the Dow's down 300 points. Now, as I'm making this, Amazon just came out with its earnings, and the headlines say its gloomy forecast about the future is affecting the pricing of it right now. We'll get to that later in the day. Now, let's just jump over to crypto. Crypto backed off, and part of the reason for the back off was not only the notion that the good tech earnings weren't spilling over into other parts of the stock market. We had the dollar show incredible strength today. It's at 107. Now just take a look at the 5-day chart of the dollar. Here you go. It was trading at around 96, 97, and now this is what it's done the last 5 days. Of course, that's not good for crypto. And part of the reason for the run-up in the dollar is the notion interest rates are not coming down. This is the percentage that believes in September they will lower rates. It was literally 65% a couple of days ago. So after Powell spoke, it dropped. Now, I like to look at the derivative market to get a sense of what the huge players are believing. Now, from August 1st to the August 29th expiration, on each of these expiration days, the maximum pain is never lower than 115,000, but it's never any higher than 118,000 in the case of Bitcoin. So the derivative market doesn't see any huge upside or, importantly, any major downside. And to add to all this, we have all the tariff stuff I don't have to go through, but basically America doesn't have deals with enough countries to say that there's a complete picture on what tariffs will be or what their impact will be on the economy. Now, there's something that we do have to mention that is very positive. The SEC came out with Project Crypto. The purpose was to bring the U.S. financial markets on chain. And they are going for the complete tokenization of real-world assets and all that relates to financial markets, i.e. stocks, etc., treasuries. This is very, very important. Now, this is the regulatory environment, not the business environment, but still, this is a very positive sign. We'll see how the market responds to Amazon's gloomy forecast about the future. And right now, I can't tell you that we are going to have a big upward move. I had hoped and believed it was rational to think the altcoins would be going towards their all-time highs. But basically right now, markets have stalled out as the concern not only about tariffs, but the fact that interest rates are actually going up and the dollar is getting stronger doesn't lay the framework, if you will, for a major bull move, let alone alt season. Now, I'm going to have to think about this over the weekend and see what the different pundits say, but that's what I'm feeling, and that's my emotional feeling at the moment. Be careful.